DevSecOps, what is it? That's a hard question to answer. It's about shifting security left as far as possible. But more importantly, that making it everyone's problem to solve and everyone's something to be part of everyone's behavior.
The idea of where people are now by embracing that more of a DevOps or DevSecOps model is they're creating more participation from security teams with the people who actually write code and have to deploy code. And I think that's if you take the idea of, walk a mile in someone else's shoes, security teams are now being part of that journey, and they're also being part of that conversation.
To me, DevSecOps is an important movement because it's about delivering business value. It's about getting things done. It's about de-siloization.
Rather than a security team sitting from on high mandating thou shalt do this or not do this, and it's much more of an enabler now, or it's at least trying to say the question or change the answer from no, don't do that to that sounds hard, but here's maybe how we can try to do that in a secure way.
Someone I was just talking to used the term the security ivory tower, where people make proclamations and say, we're going to do this. And if it's not accepted, they say, why aren't you listening to me? When we get towards DevSecOps, we move from why aren't you listening to me to how can we work together? How can we take the development activity, the operational activity, and integrate security so that we actually build security in?
DevSecOps it's difficult to quantify and it's difficult to know when you've got it right. I think a measure of success is when everyone's thinking about security and when you could pick any part of your build pipeline and be able to demonstrate that security is there.
There's always that pressure for developers and for the developing work to actually develop things quickly. Because at the end of the day, we're running business and everybody's running a business and everybody has cut-off date in order to get things done. And the security is often overlooked because we need to do things quickly.
So I think DevSecOps is about saying, hey, we need to build products. We better make sure that it's fast and quick and agile, but we've also got to do it really securely so that at least when we're shipping code, like it's secure. People aren't going to get owned left, right, and center.
I think this is where the Internet of Things is going. And this is where the dev world's going. This is where everything's going, saying that security is part of everything. We need to stop saying security for security people. Security is for everyone.